Unlock the power of cutting-edge AI right on your laptop, no cloud needed. Let's dive into setting up Deepseek AI as open source. First, we need to get our hands on the core software. We'll head over to the official Deepseek AI GitHub repository. Think of this as the central hub, where all the development happens for this open source project. Once you're on the repository page, locate the code button from there. You'll find an option to download the entire project as a zip file. Click that, and the download will begin €. Simple as that. After the download is complete, you'll have a zip file. You'll need to extract all the contents of this file to a folder on your computer. This is where all the Deepseek AI files will reside for us to work with. Now, for the magic behind the scenes, we need to set up our development environment. This typically involves ensuring you have Python installed on your laptop. If not, you'll need to download and install the latest version. We'll also make sure a package installer like pip is readily available, as it's crucial for installing other necessary libraries. With our environment ready, open your terminal or command prompt. You'll then need to navigate to the folder where you extracted the Deepseek AI files. This is important because we'll be running commands from within this directory. Next, we'll install all the required libraries and dependencies that Deepseek AI needs to run. This is usually done with a simple command that installs everything listed in a configuration file that comes with the download. Think of this as equipping our AI with all its essential tools. Now for the exciting part, actually using Deepseek AI locally. Within the extracted files, you'll find scripts or programs designed to demonstrate its capabilities. You'll run these using a specific command in your terminal, pointing to the correct file. This will allow you to interact with Deepseek AI directly on your machine for experimentation, development, or even research. You can test its understanding, see how it generates text, or explore its unique features, all without an internet connection and with complete control. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up and begun using Deepseek AI as an open source project on your laptop. Dive deep, experiment, and build amazing things locally. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more open source AI tutorials.